This low-profile addlon 24-inch ceiling fan with integrated light is a great fit for rooms with limited ceiling height, offering a modern flush mount look that blends into bedrooms, kitchens, and living areas. The dimmable LED panel lets you fine-tune both brightness and color tone from warm to cool, so the same fixture works well for relaxing evenings or focused tasks. A handheld remote and companion application make it easy to change fan speed, lighting, and timers from the sofa or bed, and the memory feature brings everything back just how you left it. The reversible direct current motor provides efficient airflow with several speed levels, so you can circulate warm air in winter and enjoy a stronger breeze in summer without excessive noise. Because the blades are fully enclosed in a fandelier-style housing, this fan feels safer over bunk beds or in kids' rooms while still moving plenty of air. Installation is relatively straightforward thanks to the compact modular design, and the slim black finish adds a clean, contemporary touch to most home decor styles.